thousands of users across the globe are taking on unified, custom, and intelligent business solutions that are tailored to their needs. As work transitions into more complex processes, so does the need for efficient systems to be put in place. So, what are businesses investing in exactly? The Microsoft Power Platform, a powerful suite of business applications. They operate in the cloud, equipping you with next-level solutions to resolve existing challenges and helping you exceed customer expectations. Power Automate. Use robotic process automation to trade manual tasks for automated workflows. Power BI. Obtain accurate and real-time insights with every business activity. This will boost your decision-making and help you make informed actions. Power Apps. You know your business better than anyone else. Transition your ideas into reality by building professional applications customized to cater to your business needs. Power Virtual Agents. Put your customer first. Create an effective chatbot that will instantly interact with your customers, answering questions, finding information, and order statuses. Now, you may be asking yourself, how? Increase the speed to which you go to the market with dynamic strategies and improved sales. Automate your operations, streamline reporting processes, and integrate data for greater visibility. Improve customer experiences and tailor your offerings. Empower and train your employees with better, faster solutions that will help them achieve their deliverables and meet their KPIs. Need further justification of why large numbers of organizations are flocking to business applications? They are guaranteed agility by leveraging market-leading and cloud-driven platforms. They are enabled to stand out, build competencies, and become a leader in their respective markets. They are reaching increased numbers of the correct customers. You too can become digitally savvy and incorporate intelligent solutions to evolve your business. Make the right choice, starting with evaluating whether your current systems are working for you. Power up with the Microsoft Business Applications.